Score! Kira!
Ha adelgazado 20 gramos.
Ice age heat wave, can't complain. If the world's at large, why should I remain? Walked away to another planet, gonna find another place, maybe one I can stand. I move on to another day. Move on to another day, to a whole new town with a whole new way. Went to the porch to have a thought, got to the door and again I couldn't stop. You don't know where and you don't know when, but you still got your words and you got your friends. Walking on to another day, work a little harder, work another way. Well, baby, I ain't got no plan. I'll float on, maybe, would you understand? Understand? Gonna float on, maybe, would you understand? Well, I'll float on, maybe, would you understand? Days get shorter and the nights get cold. I like
No!
days get shorter and the nights get cold. I like the autumn, but this place is getting old. I pack my belongings and I head for the coast. It might not be a lot, but I feel like I'm making the most. The days get longer and it might not be a lot, but I feel like I'm making the most. The days get longer and the nights smell green. I guess it's not surprising, but it's spring and I should leave.
Gling, gling, glong, gling, gling.
I like songs about drifters, books about the same. They both seem to make me feel a little less insane. Walked on off to another spot. I still haven't gotten anywhere that I want. Did I want love? Did I need to know? Why does it always feel like I'm caught in an undertow?
Cheers.
It was great. I didn't know what I had that day. Walk a little farther to another plane. They said what you didn't understand. I knew the starting over's not what life's about, but my thoughts were so loud I couldn't hear my mouth. My thoughts were so loud I couldn't hear my mouth. My thoughts were so loud.
Seguidamente podrán ver una demostración de su funcionamiento.
un bosque oscuro y plagado de alimañas.